So I'm in my grandma's bathroom, and I had the door shut to the other bedroom, and it's 2 doors to this bathroom. And I was washing my face, and then I heard this ruckus. Ow! I heard a ruckus. Somebody doesn't like being on the other side of the door. I wonder what she'll do if I open it. Who is that out there? This is my Grandma Mac's old room. Hi. Do you like Grandma's house? Game over. I'm not fun. Okay, I just washed my face. Bedtime, so I look bad. Sorry. And this is my room, where I always stay when I come. Looks like somebody came back for a second round. This is one of her favorite games. She'll do this to you while you poop, for sure. Okay, bye.